It's time now to go inside innovation, brought to you by DMI. Well, prototyping will never be the same at Elkhart-based Lippert Components. The RV components manufacturer says it's swapping clunky traditional product development methods for a streamlined approach, augmented reality. Inside, Indiana business reporter Kylie Valletta is here now with more. Kylie.
Thank you very much, Gary. LCII believes it's leading the way as the manufacturing industry explores the new technique to envision a product before producing it. Michael Repchuk, LCII's Director of Digital Innovations, joins me now along with Dominic Balancio, LCII's RV Product Manager. Thank you both for being on the show today.
Absolutely.
So let's start first of all. A lot of people think virtual reality nowadays and don't understand exactly what augmented reality is. So tell us what augmented reality is.
Yeah, sure. So virtual reality is a fully immersive experience. So typically someone has to wear something, some sort of goggles or some lens or something that takes them to a fully virtual environment, like a video game, an entertainment-based experience. With augmented reality, we're enhancing the natural vision and putting 3D objects in the person's vision, or a heads-up display or directions or any type of contextual information that's going to help the environment that they're in to do their job better.
So your technology is called LCII Workbench, augmented reality. So Dominic, explain how compared to the conventional methods of prototyping, how using augmented reality saves time and money.
Sure. So for instance, you're a product manager and you want a desk that's similar to what we're sitting at. So you think you know the size. So you give me basic schematics. I'll go back to engineering. Engineering will draw them, then we've got to make it. Say that takes 2 weeks, maybe then to verify prints and everything else, get it assembled. That takes another week. Now you're up to 3. You're busy, so it's probably going to take me another week to get you back. Let's call it 4. If you come back and tell me that you don't like the desk that we're sitting at, we start the whole process all over again. So now I can spend an afternoon with you, get a basic schematic drawn up in the computer, and we can actually shrink it real time. I can go back upstairs to engineering and we can grow it a couple feet, shrink it a couple feet, and you'll actually be able to experience it in your floor plans. When I release something for the first time, you've already seen it in your coach.
So much more streamlined.
Much more streamlined.
So how common is augmented reality in the manufacturing industry and also in the RV manufacturing industry?
Yeah, in the manufacturing industry, we are seeing a lot more of our peers every month reading articles of other big manufacturing companies using it to do prototyping, using it to do layouts of new factories, using it to enhance the sales and marketing experience. So it's becoming more common in manufacturing. As far as RVing, I think, Dominic, that I haven't heard of anyone else doing it.
Neither have I. As far as we know, we're the only people in the RV segment that are using this kind of technology.
Trailblazers.
That's kind of cool to say that, right? Yeah.
So about how many of your clients are open to using it and are using it now?
So everybody wants to use it, and we're going to offer it to everybody. It's low cost to us, and like I said before, it speeds up the process for them. So we'll actually be rolling this out with several new products where they'll actually be able to, instead of physically experiencing a product, they'll be able to augmentedly experience a product. So sales will be lined up with iPads or with the HoloLens, and they'll actually be able to go to customers, load something up in the coach, and they can experience it there instead of having to come all the way either to our shop at R&D or all the way up to marketing in Elkhart.
Okay, and Michael, just a couple seconds left, but you said this is just a tease. There's so much more to come with augmented reality.
I mean, so anything that the human eye can do, augmented reality can enhance that or improve that. So as this technology becomes more mature, definitely expect to see more fascinating applications in every sector: manufacturing, entertainment, sales, marketing, you name it.
All right, well, Michael, Dominic, thank you both for being here today. We're excited to see what else comes down the pipe at LCII.
All right. Thank you.